Hi guys, so we are at Brayford level crossing.
Hi, this is Brayford Ridge. I'm at Brayford level crossing. Wait, I'm with Luke, can we do that one?
No, get away!
Wait, we're at Brayford level crossing with Luke Cope, James Fawkes, James Ray and Andrew Washington.
I'm on my frog view.
Yeah.
There we go, the time is 13:50 on Saturday the 9th of Saturday the 2nd of May 2015. This is for our 13:54.
Do you sound like quite, but that's it's like in a town. The reason why this crossing is called Brayford is because the pool there is Brayford Wharf East Pool, I think, or docking site.
Who cares about the wharf or the east? I don't see a wharf.
Yeah, 5 kilo 50's in, so there will be a 15-ton door.
Yeah, well, now anyways.
Unless this is 15-ton door.
Not back, I did see a slide gate one, but I think it's back on trim now.
Is it? Anyway, I think this is 321 back from John.
Oh, we just got to wait about half an hour to sleep.
Possibly. This she is.
Yes. Oh, what do we have?
153.
153. Ah, that's a one called DMU service. Where's that going to actually? I'm from. Luke, why are you stooping down on the floor? What do we have?
It's 153.321, I think it is.
153.321.
Oh yeah, 153.321.
153.321 to Lincoln. I've got 153.321 off into Lincoln Station, which is just over there where Lincoln Central of the crossing is. By the way, barriers are now up. Brayford level crossing, I would say that's it, guys.